Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by opening System Settings immediately. This is where Mac OS centralizes input controls. Once opened, authenticate if prompted so you can change preferences. Next, choose Trackpad if you use a built-in or Bluetooth trackpad, or mouse when you have a separate mouse. This distinction matters because each panel exposes different options. Trackpad has gestures, mouse has scrolling speed. Make sure to stay in the correct panel before moving to the scrolling options to avoid confusion. Now focus on the scroll setting labeled Scroll Direction. Natural. Mac OS uses this term to describe content movement tied to finger motion. You'll toggle it off to reverse scrolling so swipes move content opposite your finger, or toggle on to use natural, touch-like movement. Once toggled, test by swiping on the trackpad or rolling the mouse wheel. This quick feedback confirms the change. If you use multiple devices, repeat in each device panel because settings can be device-specific and don't always sync. Finish by closing settings and testing scroll behavior across several apps so you catch inconsistencies. If the change didn't apply, reconnect the device or restart your Mac. Sometimes drivers or Bluetooth need a reset. Also verify you don't have third-party utilities, like USB mouse drivers or gesture apps that override system preferences. Disable them temporarily to isolate the problem. If problems persist, update Mac OS and the peripheral firmware, because outdated software can cause settings to be ignored or revert unexpectedly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.